Wow your guests at your next potluck or for the big game with this insanely delicious appetizer. These buffalo chicken wontons are crispy on the outside and loaded with hot, cheesy chicken flavor on the inside. Just 8 ingredients is all you need for this recipe, and you can easily find them at most grocery stores. Here's how to make them. We'll start by preparing the chicken. You can save time and skip these next steps by buying pre-cooked chicken and shredding that. Turn a burner on high heat, then place a large pot on your burner. Pour enough water to cover 1 pound of chicken thighs. Then add your chicken thighs into the pot. Bring it to a boil, then cover with a lid and reduce the heat down to medium. Let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once your chicken is cooked, remove it from the pot and transfer it to a large bowl. Using 2 forks, begin shredding your chicken like you see here. Once you're done shredding, we'll begin adding the rest of our ingredients into the bowl. Start by adding 4 ounces of cream cheese that has been softened. Add 1/3 a cup of buffalo sauce. Add half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Add 1/4 a cup of sliced green onions. You can use regular onions if you prefer. Add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And finally, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything together until it's fully combined. Grab your wonton wrappers and a bowl with water in it. We'll use the water to help seal our wontons. Start with 1 wonton wrapper on some parchment paper or a plate. Dip your finger into the water, then wet the edges of the wonton wrapper. Scoop about a heaping teaspoon or 2 teaspoons worth of your mixture and place it in the center of the wonton. Bring the 2 edges of the wrapper together. Then bring the other 2 edges together and pinch them together to seal the wonton. Continue pressing the edges together until it seals as shown here. Repeat this process until you're out of your mixture. I was able to make 29 wontons with this recipe, but you can make more or less depending on how much mixture you use in each wonton. Grab your air fryer. Open it and spray the basket with non-stick cooking spray. Begin placing your wontons in the basket. You'll likely have to cook it in multiple batches. I was able to place 16 wontons in this first batch and 13 in my second batch. Be sure to spray the wontons with non-stick cooking spray to make them a bit crispier. Set your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and then cook them for 8 to 10 minutes. After 8 to 10 minutes, they should be nice and crispy. Remove them from the air fryer basket and then begin adding the remaining wontons. Then you're set to serve your buffalo chicken wontons. If you're making these for a gathering, I recommend you make them a few hours before it and transfer them in a container. If you make them the night before, they will likely be soggy and no longer crispy. Although I didn't make a sauce, these go great with a blue cheese dressing or Cool Ranch. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.